Yeah, it's a really good point because a lot of us, and myself even personally, we have a mortgage coming due this year that we got 5 years ago.
Right.
5 years ago, rates were crazy low. Some people were under 2%. So the big headline here is 2026 and in early 2027, a lot of people like me are going to come up for mortgage renewals at now going from 2% to say 4%. And so the headline is definitely misleading because people think that jump in 2% interest rate is going to cause distressed sales, foreclosures, and that type of thing. But what people fail to realize is that with all that equity gain in the last 5 years, there's more and more people, especially here in the north, that are sitting on more wealth than ever before.
Right.
So they have options. They have options for refinancing. They have options to maybe extend their amortization if that monthly payment is a little bit too high for them to sort of budget in their everyday budgets. And, absolutely things happen in people's lives and people need to move. Some people will be downsizing, I'm sure, just because they realize, maybe I don't need this big house and the larger mortgage. But in terms of the headlines and distress sales, these mortgage renewals are not going to cause a flood of properties and certainly not high-end properties coming on the market.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think it's a big misconception and people fail to realize that people have options and that a lot of people are sitting on quite a bit of wealth from that equity gain.
That's right.